How to find out screen time code or bypass parental control. Let's start with the official route. If you have access to the Apple ID that was used to set up screen time, you can reset the passcode directly. You should see an option that says Forgot Passcode. Enter your Apple ID credentials, and you can set a new 4-digit code right away. This is the cleanest method, but it only works if you remember which Apple ID was used. Now, if that doesn't work, here's a trick involving an Apple Watch. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, navigate to Privacy, and try to access it. The system will ask for your screen time passcode, but here's the key, it doesn't track failed attempts in this menu. That means you can try multiple combinations without getting locked out for an hour. For those who aren't restricted account-wise, there's another method. Start by opening Settings and going to Apps, then tap Mail. Choose Mail Accounts and select Add Account. Pick Google from the list. And when the Google sign-in screen appears, look at the very bottom and tap Privacy. In the top right corner, you'll see the Google 9-dot menu, tap it and select any function like News or Search. This action can jump you into a browser view that bypasses the screen time restrictions entirely. If these workarounds don't pan out, a dedicated software tool is your best bet. MagFone iPhone Unlocker includes a specific feature called Unlock Screen Time Passcode. Within about seconds, MagFone removes the screen time restrictions completely, and the best part is that it happens without any data loss. Your photos, messages, and apps all stay exactly where they are. One last option exists, but it comes with a trade-off. If you can afford to lose everything on your device, you can use iTunes to perform a factory reset. Normally, resetting an iPhone would ask for the screen time passcode, but iTunes doesn't require it. As long as you have the device passcode to bypass the activation lock afterward, you can restore the iPhone in recovery mode. Once the process finishes, you can set it up as new with your own Apple ID, and the screen time code will be gone.